Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your name on your Free Fire's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your name on Free Fire, firstly go ahead and launch open your Free Fire application. The home page of Free Fire application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, click on pen icon right next to your name. From the pop-up, edit your name and click on tick mark icon. Once you're done, tap on yellow button and that's how you will be able to change your name on your Free Fire's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.